Before we proceed, please note that this video is made by AI, but all the content is manually researched by our team, and it's not AI generated. Here in the video we will talk about the Centrelink Express Plus app error code CLKRP003. This error tends to occur when users try to log into their Centrelink accounts, particularly after making changes such as enabling Face ID. Our research indicates that this error often arises when Centrelink is grappling with server issues. But fear not, there are solutions to this vexing problem. The first step is a classic one: restart your device. Once your device is back up and running, check if there are any pending updates for the Centrelink app. If an update is available, go ahead and update the app. This simple step could well make the error disappear. Still seeing that pesky error code? The next step is to reset your account password or PIN. A number of users have reported that this step successfully resolved the issue, so it's definitely worth a try. If you've updated the app, reset your password, and the error code is still staring you in the face, then it's time for a more drastic measure: uninstalling and reinstalling the Centrelink Express app. Once you've reinstalled the app, check if the error persists. Have you done all of the above and still can't shake off error code CLKRP003? It could be a server-side issue that will resolve itself in due course. In this case, patience is key. Take a break for 1 to 2 hours, then check if the error is still there. In a nutshell, the steps to resolve the Centrelink Express Plus app error code CLKRP003 are as follows: restart your device, update the app, reset your password, uninstall and reinstall the app, and if all else fails, wait for a couple of hours before trying again. If you like this information, don't forget to subscribe. It will be a great support. And for more tech updates, visit quarries.com.